So here we're given this figure that gives you the distribution of the number of customers. So the way you want to read this is that on 7 of the days, there were 2 customers. They want to know for this 28-day period, what was the median of the number of customers? So if we were to rank these in increasing order, so for example, we had one customer showed up for 2 days, and then 2 customers showed for 7 days, and then 1 day was 3, 4, 4. So sometimes it's helpful to see the raw data and so on and so forth, and then we'll have 5/8 at the end. Once it's written in that form, we need to find the median, which we have an even number of terms. So if I subtract 2, I get 26. I split that into 2, 13 and 13. That means if I have these are my middle values, I'll have 13 on both sides. That means I'm looking for the 14th and 15th value from either direction when they're in increasing order. So I can count from this direction. I'm looking for the 14th and 15th, and if they're different, then I take the average of those. So you'll see this is 2 plus 7. So I'm up to 9 here, and then 10, and then 12. So 12 values would be at 4. That means up to here I have 12 values. And then you'll see the next you have 4 values. So 14 and 15 would both be 5. So the median is 5. You can come in this other direction too. Sometimes it's convenient in that direction. But make sure you can kind of visualize the raw data. That way you kind of understand what the process is. Obviously, you don't want to write this out in the exam. That was just for me to explain it. But yeah, in the exam, you'll just be counting the frequency here to get to those 2 middle values. So the answer is 5, choice A.